Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today, we're diving into one of the most popular electric vehicles on the market, the 2025 Nissan Leaf. Whether you're new to EVs or a seasoned fan, this compact powerhouse has a lot to offer. Let's get started. First up, the design. The 2025 Nissan Leaf sports a sleek and modern look, with its signature V-motion grille, sharp LED headlights, and aerodynamic lines that don't just look good, they help improve efficiency. And check out these wheels, 17-inch alloys with a futuristic edge. It's all about blending style and function. Inside, the Leaf's cabin is all about comfort and technology. This model features a spacious interior with seating for 5 and premium materials throughout. The centerpiece. A 12.3-inch touchscreen that seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Plus, there's a fully digital driver's display, so all your key info is right where you need it. Now let's talk performance. The 2025 Nissan Leaf comes with two powertrain options. The standard model delivers 147 horsepower and 236 lb-ft of torque, while the upgraded Leaf Plus boosts that to 214 horsepower. Both offer smooth acceleration, making city driving a breeze. One of the Leaf's standout features is its impressive range. The standard model offers up to 168 miles on a full charge, while the Leaf Plus can go up to 226 miles. Charging is simple. With DC fast charging, you can get from 20% to 80% in just about 40 minutes. Safety and convenience are huge here, too. The ProPILOT Assist system gives you semi-autonomous driving, perfect for those long highway commutes. And with features like automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring, peace of mind comes standard. So, who's the 2025 Nissan Leaf for? It's perfect for eco-conscious drivers looking for an affordable entry into EVs. With a starting price around $29,000 and federal incentives still in play, it's a value-packed choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What do you think about the 2025 Nissan Leaf? Let me know. Until next time, drive safe and stay charged.